Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different looks, I unwrapped my newest addition to my palette collection, the Danessa Myricks Lightwork 5 I Am palette. Let me tell you, this palette is fun and you have so many possibilities, and I'm really enjoying this. So if you want to see how I did these two different looks, hang in there and I will show you. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, or good ideas, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It will be awesome to have you join. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? With my Builder Pro, I am using the darkest shade from Pat McGrath Moonlit Seduction palette, and it's just to make sort of like the groundwork for this look with the Danessa Myricks palette. And I'm just using it here to create some depth in the outer corner. And then I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit here. And now let the fun begin. Dipping into the blue. I don't remember what it's called, but I'm gonna tell you soon. I am using the same Builder Pro brush actually. The name is Strong. So I'm supposed to say, I am strong. And strong is something that this color is strong and very, very beautiful. And I'm just gonna lay that on. I didn't put any more color on my brush. I am just gonna put it up here so we have a blend from the blue strong color and into the dark brown. It serves like a shadow, like a depth for this look. I am resilient, like the next color. It's the one that is on top of the strong color, because the one that was next to strong, it's a little green, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna go with the blue. This is more like a transparent color. You can use it as a highlight and like a topper, and also like this by itself. I'm gonna continue with the under eye now, and I'm gonna use my flat definer brush with the darkest color from the Mothership 10, also called, sorry, I keep bending down, the Moonlit Seduction. This is just dark brown, dark cool tone brown, matte shadow. Now I'm going to use the Brave, I Am Brave shadow next to the strong one, the one that is a little bit more green, a lot more green. Oh wow. And I'm using the flat definer again. As you can see, there are some flakes. This is a flaky shadow, but you can work it out. You can smooth it out with your brush. I'm sorry if you missed the start because I was bending my head down. I tend to do that when I'm concentrating on the lower eyelid. It's a very bad habit. Because of the colors in my top that I'm wearing today, I am gonna put some orangey here on the middle of my mobile eyelid. Also gonna use the same color here as an inner corner, and the name is Radiant, so I am radiant, especially with these colors going on. I'm going to use the same one as a highlighter here, and I'm just going to blend it out so it's more like scattered instead of very concentrated. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to try and move my head here a little bit. Hopefully you can see what it does. Let's give this eye look an eyeliner, shall we? I'm just going to use the black fluid liner, liquid liner from Pat McGrath. It's my go-to eyeliner. It's easy to work with. I'm very sorry if you can hear the noise in the background. My neighbors are renovating or something. They're drilling right now. It's pretty annoying, but I can't really stop it. This is a look with a little bit of mascara on, and although it's a multichrome palette and a multichrome look, very metallic, it's not that out there, I feel, but that's just me. Maybe for you it's too much, but this was the first one. Now I'm gonna go on to the next eye. With the second eye look here, I'm gonna do a little bit more of a warm tone look. I'm gonna start with a matte shadow from my Moonlit Seduction from Pat McGrath to do the base, and I'm using my Blender Pro from Sonia G. Just checking if I was in focus here, and then I'm gonna blend it upwards and outwards a little bit. It's just to not make this look too metallic all over the place that I am using this, because of course you can stick to the Danessa Myricks palette all the way through, but I just want to use a matte color to not make it all out there. Okay, so I think we got the base here. That's kind of nice. I am Fierce. The color Fierce is the one I'm going in with, and this is such an amazing shadow. I really hope that you can see the shift when I'm doing this. It's like antique gold, kind of like going into some kind of red color, and it's just wow. Awesome color. And I'm using my Builder Pro from Sonia G. Oh, it's so noisy. I'm so sorry. And with the rest that's on my brush, I'm just gonna stamp it onto the matte color, into the matte color here. So there is like no harsh lines between the colors. They're mixing into each other. I'm way more fierce than that. I'm gonna put a little bit more on, and especially here to make it a little bit more metallic. I could also use my finger, but I'm fine with using the brush as long as I can with these multi-chromes, like so. I am fearless. So Fearless, the color next to the Fierce, is the next one I'm gonna use. They are pretty lovely match here. And I'm just gonna blend that outwards here ever so slightly and gently and into the Fierce color. And just to have a little bit of fun with the look, I am gonna do an eyeliner, but I'm not gonna put an eyeliner on like I normally do. I'm gonna use this Artistry wand from Pat McGrath and Intensifies, and that's gonna be the glue for the next color that I'm gonna do an eyeliner with. Just trust the process. With a Zoeva brow line brush, I dipped into the green shadow I'm gonna tell you in a minute what it's called. I just want to see how much I can get out of it like this. Oh, that was not much. I am abundant. The color is called Abundant. I put on a little bit more, as you can see. Okay, wish me luck. Because in my head this looks really awesome, but sometimes what's in my head is not necessarily the same that comes out when I try to do it. But let's just see here. This kind of amped up the look, right? For the bottom part, I don't want to go all crazy, so I'm just taking my matte color and I'm gonna put that on here on the lower lash line. I am loved. That's the color. Love, loved is a color I am gonna put down here. The inner half here. There is a molten metal shadow in this palette and it's a silver one. And I am just going to see if I can just put a little bit here as a highlighter. Just specks of glitter, like, it went a little too low, but it's okay. This is a finished look with a bit of mascara on. I'm now going to turn my head a little bit so you hopefully can see some shifts going on the eye look. Or the eye looks, actually, because I have two eyes. Okay, this is it. I hope you can see it. I'm looking down on the monitor right now. Hoping you can see something. Anyway, I'm gonna go off cam and put on a full face of makeup and show you a little bit more that you can do with this palette. This is it. These are the two different looks using the Lightwork 5 palette. I'm gonna put on my glasses so you can see what it looks like with glasses on, and this is it. On my cheeks, I am wearing the Nymphette blush from Pat McGrath Labs, and on top of that, I actually used the Loved color as a highlighter. I don't know if you can see that. I hope the light is catching it. On my lips, I am wearing the Pat McGrath Omi Matte Trans Lipstick, and just to make it a little bit more interesting and to show you another way of using the colors from the palette, I put on some Loved on top of that to make it a little bit more shiny. I could put on some gloss also, but I skipped that step for now. So if you didn't already know, I really like this palette. I think it's amazing, and it gives you so many different possibilities, both when it comes to looks and color combinations and ways of using it. I know it says it's an eye and face palette, and it really is. It's amazing. It's awesome. The quality is out there, and yeah, I am definitely going to get some more of Danessa Myricks palettes for sure. This was my first one. So if you like these two different looks, you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It will be an honor to have you join. Now, I hope you will have an awesome day, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Mwah.